My name is Hilary McAlister. I live in Edmond, Oklahoma, and I co-own Soul to Soul Dance Convention. The name of this piece is called Blackout. The concept behind this piece is about relationships and the pain that sometimes they can cause, whether that be a romantic relationship, a parental relationship, family, or even the relationship with yourself. And the idea that sometimes the pain gets so hard that you want to black it out, but there's also that longing to connect with people and you don't want them to leave. I chose this piece of music because her voice really drew me in because it's so beautiful. But within the music, I feel a lot of twisted elements and winding, which is how sometimes we feel when we are trying to let something go and we're trying to hold on to it at the same time. It can feel like we're in a whirlwind. And there's a lot of longing in her voice, which also we can relate to in our hearts when we're trying to let someone go and hold on to them at the same time. As I have worked with the UCO dancers on Kaleidoscope, they have opened their hearts and their arms to me and welcomed me into their space. They embraced my process of how I work through a storyline. They took risks with me and let me into their world as I let them into mine, which created a beautiful collaboration between us. I want the audience to feel as they're watching this piece something that they can identify with, a moment in their life of something that they tried to hold on to. Maybe somebody in the audience needs this song and needs this moment to make that final step of embracing someone or letting someone go. I hope that as they watch the dancers that they feel they're human, they hear them breathing, they see their connection, and the barrier between audience and dancer is broken a little bit and there's something bigger that happens. My hope for these dancers after working with me is I hope that they are always human to the fullest, that they never hold back, that they allow themselves to feel, they allow themselves to take risks with people, and they use their stories behind their art form, and that they embrace the stories of the people around them.